Hello, you're welcome back. And this is Quiver Analytics. This is the second video of Python environment, the beginning of for data science. All right. So in the first video, we talked about how to use Anaconda Jupyter Notebook, how to install, how to download and install. Remember, the first thing is to download Python um, source first, then install it. It's simple to install. Double click on the software and then you click yes and install. I agree and keep installing. Then accept defaults. Then the second one is to download Anaconda. It takes a little time. Then install, open Jupyter. Then you can put it on your taskbar as I have explained here. All right. Now, the other method is using the Google Colab. Now, okay, so this is where we stopped in the last video. Once you are able to get here, then you are ready for the class. All right, so this time around, we want to see how to use Google Colab for people who will be using their phones and or you, for some reason, you are not able to install Jupyter Notebook. You are not able to start it up on your system. You can use Google Colab. All right, so Google Colab is like a version of Jupyter Notebook on Google server. All right, so let's go straight into it. So just do Google Colab and click the first one. Now, once you get here, you can either open Google Colab. I'm going to go with this first. Now, Google Colab, what it does is that it works from your drive. Everything you do, just like every other Google product, are online. All right, so if you've done anything recently, you would see them here. You see them here, of course. So if not, you won't see anything. All right, so there are examples here, then recent. Then if you have anything, any IPython notebook in your drive, you would see them here. Then if you link it to your GitHub, then if you have a script like the Jupyter notebook that we opened in the last video, if you already have a Python script, you can bring it into Google Colab from here. So you just go to browse and then it takes you to your system and you're able to do you're able to drag it here, it opens up. All right, now if you are not opening an existing file, you can come here to do new notebook. So if I click new notebook here, all right, so here we have new notebook. You can see this is like Jupyter, it's just a little bit different. All right, so now let's go to file. I'm just going to mention some important things here. So once you're able to open this either in your system, on your system, or on your phone, then you are ready to go. All right, so you can write your Python scripts here and run it. Then so the difference between this and the Jupyter is that this one is on Google server. You're not running anything on your system. So, and then majority of, you have more libraries. You might not understand what library is until we start. We have more data science library loaded here than on Jupyter. You can always install here, but here you do less of installation because you are online and you are running your codes. All right, so once you are done writing your codes, you can go to file and download. Where is download? Okay, probably because I've not done anything, but you can always save a copy in drive, save a copy, blah blah, save yeah. So then this is download, sorry, a little bit. So you can download as IPython notebook, which is the same thing as Jupyter, and share it with people. Or just like the typical Google notebook, you can share from here, share with someone, and while you code, they see what you have, like what you are doing as well. All right, so once you have this, you are ready to go. Remember, you go to Google Colab. From here you can do new notebook. It opens up a new notebook. All right, so to run Python codes, just to let me run something very, oh sorry, start coding print. What do I want to print? What's today's date? Today. All right, so print today. I can run it from here. Okay, probably this is because my network is a little bit slow. These are the disadvantages, because you have to run it online. You can see connecting, then it's green now, it's connected, then it's run. Now you can see the your usage here. All right. Now I can go on and on talking about this, but we really don't have to do that. Okay. Then another thing you can do is, apart from running this, you can do Control Enter. If you are using Mac, you do Command and Enter. Then another thing, if you want to, make it run, sorry, something got my attention. If you want to make it run and let it print another, let's open another cell, then you do Shift Enter. So it opens another cell. So when we start, we'll be talking about the types of cells, the code, and the text. The same thing we have here. We have different types of cells. If I do print today, Control Enter, you can see today. All right. So once you're able to do this, you are ready to go for the class. Then we meet live in the Google Classroom. All right.